Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use BCAA supplements. BCAA, or branch-chain amino acids, are essential nutrients your body cannot make on its own. They consist of three key amino acids: leucine, isoleucine, and valine. These are vital for muscle health, playing a significant role in protein synthesis and reducing muscle breakdown. Understanding their function is the first step to incorporating them effectively into your routine. Timing your BCAA intake can maximize their benefits. Many people find it effective to take BCAA before or during their workouts. This can provide an energy boost and help reduce fatigue. Post-workout, BCAA assists in muscle repair and recovery. If you have long gaps between meals, a BCAA supplement can also help prevent muscle breakdown, supporting your overall fitness goals. Determining the right dosage is crucial for optimal results. A typical serving size for BCAA supplements ranges from 5 to 10 grams. However, your ideal dose might vary based on your body weight, activity level, and specific fitness goals. BCAA come in various forms, including convenient powders that mix easily with water, capsules for quick consumption, and ready-to-drink liquids. Choose the form that best fits your lifestyle. To truly maximize the benefits of your BCAA supplement, remember to integrate it with a balanced diet rich in whole foods and maintain consistent hydration throughout your day. Always consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian before introducing any new supplements into your regimen, especially if you have existing health conditions. Also, for a fresh ride, check the description for a link to Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.